I found it really interesting that forest walks can boost our immune cells by up to 50%.
It's incredible, isn't it?
But is there like a dose that we need to get these benefits of nature? So, one of them is that it can boost our immune cells up to 50%.
Yes, there's so much that I could talk to you about. I think basically with that quote, with the 50% increase in your immune system, so what that comes from is some amazing studies that took place in Japan, and they were basically checking the immune function of different people for the study as a measure of their natural killer cells. So it's the amount of natural killer cells that their bodies were producing, and so those cells were increasing by up to 50%, and it was actually a rather long nature walk for that to happen. It was about 2 hours. So clearly you're not necessarily going to be able to walk in nature for 2 hours every single day.
I would say take work calls when you're walking.
Yes,
that's been
a
the
good
biggest
idea.
change to my life this year.
Amazing.
Because I was just sitting on calls and I was like, well,
why not walk?
Why not walk?
Yeah.
And it doesn't change anything. So although it might not be helpful for everyone, that is one thing that could be helpful.
That is a great tip, because also if you're walking, especially in a nature setting, it will probably, unless you're kind of climbing up a mountain or having to seriously navigate some marshes or something, it will allow you to probably concentrate in a better way on the person that you're talking to, rather than sitting in the same place and the same four walls.